Subscribe to my channel Indian Fashion and Beauty and also press the bell icon for latest update, and it is totally free to subscribe. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Indian Fashion and Beauty. So today I'm going to recreate this look which is inspired by Jennifer Winked Bae Panah look. So if you want to know about this look, then please keep on watching. So first I'm going to start with aloe vera gel, and I'm going to moisturize my face with this aloe vera gel. For primer, I'm going to use my Miss Clear Anti-Redness Studio Fixer Primer. Now it's time to foundation, and for that I use my Olivia liquid foundation in the shade Natural Glow 02, and I'm going to dot it all over my face and then blend it with a foundation brush. Now I'm going to highlight my face with a concealer, and for that I use my Kiss Beauty highlighter palette. To set my concealer, I'm using Olivia compact powder, and then I place it where I use my concealer. For blush, I'm using my Miss Clear single brush in the shade 0654. For contouring, I'm using same Miss Clear single eyeshadow in the shade 0210. For highlighter, I am using my Wet n Wild Mega Glow Illuminating Palette. From this palette, I am taking silver shade, and I place it my cheekbone, top of my nose, and cupid bow. To create my eye look, I am using same single eyeshadow by Miss Clear 0210. And I place it my crease area and then blend it, and again I'm using it and place it my outer corner with a pencil brush. And I'm not creating very dramatic eye look, I'm just draw a thin line by NY Bae liquid eyeliner. Now I'm using my Maybelline Colossal Kajal, and then I'm going to smudge it with my finger to give a smoky look. For mascara, I'm using my Lash Sensational Mascara by Maybelline. For lipstick, I'm using L18 Colourpop Matte Lipstick. So I hope you all like this look. If you like this look, then please give it a big thumbs up.